Hi everyone, welcome. This is StardustLV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a designer double unboxing, and I have one from YSL and one from Gucci. And let's open the Gucci item first. So this one is a scarf, and it came with this receipt, and I paid for this scarf as $317.66 USD. I got this from the Gucci outlet store, and it is so pretty, guys. I love that fall and winter is coming, and this is a very huge scarf in kind of like purple color, and it has like GG all over it. And this is what it looks like when spread out. And it's nice that at the back it has a deeper purple, and here it's like a lighter purple color with GG. And the tag looks like this. So I got this at the outlet, as I've said, for like $317, and that's including the tax. And right now at the website, I think it cost almost double for this scarf. And I'm gonna use this with my winter jackets, and it is nice that wherever place that you're gonna put it will look nice. Like, you don't really have to adjust on which side you're gonna put, as it looks very pretty on, and it is also like big and long. Or I can use this as, so I like to use the scarf with like a casual undone look, or I can like do it like this, like this. It is so pretty, guys. I'm excited to use this scarf with my winter jackets and fall light jackets, as it is so pretty, and it will go any plain jackets and coats that I will have. So this is the first one. I have two Louis Vuitton scarves, but that one has like a big square. This one is more like longer and has like a smaller width to it. And the next one that I will show you guys is this YSL in Cabazon, California. Gucci and YSL are beside each other, and I went to YSL after I went to Gucci, and this is what I found. This is so cute, guys. When I found this, I'm like, oh my god, this is such a cute item, and this is it. It is so cute. So this is a belt bag in denim. So this is in denim, and it is so pretty. I like this cute navy tassel, and inside has this space which you can put like a lot of, like maybe lipsticks. It will fit also a credit card, and also some small items that you have. And at the back it looks like this, and this strap is adjustable. So it has two straps, and it is adjustable. And if you're gonna put it on your waist, it will look like this, guys. So it will look like this on the waist. However, I like to use this crossbody. So if I'm gonna adjust this bag at its longest, it will look like this crossbody, which I love. Like for me, when I saw this bag, I'm thinking of like using it when going to the movies, where I don't really have to wear a lot of stuff, like hand sanitizer and a credit card and a lipstick will just be good for me to bring. So this is what that looks like, crossbody. It is so pretty. It will go with any outfit that you have. I think this will also look good if you are wearing dresses. If you are wearing formal dresses and you want to just break it down and make it look casual, I think this is best. So cute, guys. So I paid $332.95 US dollars with tax. But I believe this bag is like more than 500. I think it's 800. I'm not sure, guys, but I'm gonna, if I can find the price, the original price, I'll just put it down below so that you'll be able to see it. However, this is such a cute bag. Like, I'm looking at it, it's like paying a small wallet on this bag, but this is actually a purse, like a cute purse. Let's see what will it look if I'm gonna put some items in here. So currently I'm using this PD20, and I'm gonna get my lipstick and my hand sanitizer, so we're gonna know what it looks like. So I have this Chanel card holder. I don't think it will fit in here, so a card holder will not fit in this purse. However, it will fit my lipstick and this Purell's hand sanitizer. And let's say I'm gonna get my credit card in here, so it will fit my credit card. So this is what it looks like, guys, with a credit card, and it will look like so. This is such a cute purse. So cute, guys. I really love it. I don't have a daughter. I have 3 boys but no daughter. But this will be a cute gift to a grandchild, I think. So pretty, guys. So yeah, I have this scarf and this cute belt bag ready for fall and winter. It's just so nice together, so cute. There. Thank you, guys, for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, so I'll see you again next time. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.